relax. Point the toes down for me. Here.
Oh, wow.
The head to the left, drop it. Right, drop it. Start with your arms down by your side for me, please. Very good. Now I'm going to start by adjusting right in the mid-back first, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Big release there. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Wow, big release there. How'd that feel?
Great.
Awesome. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Release. How'd that feel?
Great. It feels so good.
Perfect. So you're going to feel a little pull up towards me, okay? Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax, point the toes down for me. Here.
Oh, wow.
How did that feel?
That felt kind of crazy.
Did you get a good release on it?
Yes.
Awesome.
Definitely.
Awesome. So just relax it here. One more time for me. Something here. Very good. This is me as well. On this side. Perfect. And all the way towards me. Just relax that shoulder, okay? Just give me full control here. Do me a favor, drop the head to the left, drop it.
Wow.
Wow. How'd that feel?
Great.
That was super
Wow.
loud. Wow. Perfect. And all the way towards me. Relax that shoulder there. Just drop it towards the right, drop it. Big release. Wow. How's it feeling so far?
Great.
Good. Feel a lot of tension release there?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay. Just relax it for me. Just lean back a bit.